Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. To set the screen lock, for this go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option device unlock. So to set the screen lock, tap on the option screen lock. You can select for the secure screen lock, you can select the pattern, pin or password. So here I am going to select the option pin. Then here we can enter the pin. The pin must contain at least 4 digits. Okay. Then confirm the pin. So this is for the lock screen. According to your choice, you can select any one from here. Tap on done. That's it. Now let me show you how it works. Now you can see swipe up. They are asking for the 4-digit pin. Enter the pin. You can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.